Today we're diving deep into my painterly aesthetic brush. Let's begin with the details group. These brushes are your go-to for fine lines, subtle textures, and adding that final touch of realism. Soft Stripes creates soft, feathery lines, perfect for hair or fur. Bleeding Ink delivers a gorgeous, organic flow. Sumier Ink is ideal for calligraphy-inspired strokes. Dry Brush mimics the texture of a dry brush on paper. Transparent Round allows for subtle layering, while Rake Strokes adds a unique, scratchy effect. Now if you crave that thick textured look of impasto painting, you'll love this group. These 6 brushes build up rich, 3D textures with ease. They're perfect for adding dimension to landscapes, portraits, or still lives. This is where the magic happens. The brush strokes group is all about expressive marks and covering large areas quickly. Multi-stroke creates multiple lines with a single gesture, perfect for foliage or hair. Quick Painter lays down broad, textured strokes. The Time Saver and Layer Builder are your go-to for fast color blocking. The rest of this group delivers a variety of expressive marks that add dynamism and life to your artwork. Looking for a bit of controlled chaos? This group is packed with fun and unpredictable effects. Use Splatterific for dynamic splatters and Drip and Drop for realistic drips. Abstract Aura adds an ethereal touch, while Happy Accidents and Dreamy Splash offer playful, unpredictable textures. Now let's smooth things out and add some interesting patterns. The Blends brushes create seamless transitions between colors. Its stamps add unique patterns and textures with a single tap. Finally, let's give your art some depth and dimension with the 3D texture brushes. Choose from a variety of textures like linen, canvas, and paper to add subtle realism. The Impasto brushes in this group offer even more options for building up textured surfaces. Want to unlock even more possibilities? Experiment with adjusting brush settings like size, opacity, and color dynamics. And don't forget to play with Procreate's layer modes for unique blending effects. Thanks for joining me on this brush adventure. If you're ready to add a painterly touch to your digital art, grab the Painterly Aesthetic brush set using the link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Procreate inspiration. Happy painting!